Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting triple unboxing from M5Stack. We're going to be looking at three amazing pieces of tech that work perfectly together. The ToF Sensor Unit, the StickC Plus2, and the RoverC Pro. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the M5Stack ToF Sensor Unit. This little guy is a laser ranging unit that's incredibly precise. Let me open up this packaging here. Inside the box, we get the ToF unit itself. Look at how compact this is at just 32 by 24 by 8 millimeters. We also get a HY 2.0 4P Grove cable that's 20 centimeters long for connectivity. This sensor uses the VL53L0X laser ranging module and can measure distances up to 2 meters with an accuracy of plus or minus 3%. What's really cool is it emits a 940 nanometer wavelength laser and can get readings in less than 30 milliseconds. Unlike traditional sensors, this works regardless of the target's reflectivity. You can see it has those Lego compatible holes for easy mounting, and it connects via I2C, perfect for robotics projects, camera autofocus, or 3D sensing applications. Now let's move on to the main controller, the StickC Plus2. This is the iterative version of the StickC Plus and it's packed with features. Opening this up, wow, this thing is tiny but mighty. At just 48 by 24 by 13.5 millimeters, it's incredibly compact. The StickC Plus2 is powered by the ESP32 Pico V302 chip with Wi-Fi connectivity. It's got a beautiful 1.14-inch TFT display with 135 by 240 resolution driven by the ST7789V2. The colors are really vibrant even in this lighting. What's impressive is everything they've packed into this small form factor. We've got an IR emitter, RTC, microphone, 6-axis IMU with the MPU 688.6, user buttons, a passive buzzer, and a 200 mAh lithium-ion battery. That's double the battery capacity of the previous version. The build quality feels solid, and I love that it's compatible with both HAT and Unit series modules. You can program this with UiFlow, Arduino IDE, or even ESP IDF. Finally, the star of the show, the RoverC Pro. This is a programmable Mecanum wheel omnidirectional mobile robot base, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Look at this packaging. They've really gone all out. Opening it up, oh wow, this is substantial. The build quality is immediately apparent. The RoverC Pro features 4 N20 worm gear motors with Mecanum wheels for omnidirectional movement. What makes this the Pro version is the servo-controlled gripper mechanism. You can actually grab and manipulate objects with this thing. The main control chip is an STM32F030C66 and it communicates via I2C at address 0x38. On the back here, we have a replaceable 16340 battery with 700 mAh of capacity. There's the power switch and indicator light. What I love is that it's Lego compatible, so you can expand the structure however you want. We also get two Grove-compatible I2C interfaces for adding more sensors, like that ToF sensor we just unboxed. The StickC Plus2 just slots right into the top here perfectly. The connection is solid and secure. Now here's where it gets exciting. These three components work together beautifully. The StickC Plus2 acts as the brain, the RoverC Pro provides the mobility and manipulation, and the ToF sensor gives us precise distance measurement for obstacle avoidance or object detection. Imagine the possibilities. You could create an autonomous robot that navigates around obstacles, picks up objects, and even communicates back to you via Wi-Fi. The ToF sensor could help with precise positioning for the gripper mechanism. The fact that you can program this entire system through UiFlow's visual programming interface makes it accessible to beginners, while the Arduino IDE support means advanced users can really push the limits. So there you have it, three incredible pieces of tech from M5Stack that showcase just how far compact robotics has come. The ToF sensor for precision measurement, the StickC Plus2 for processing power and connectivity, and the RoverC Pro for mobility and manipulation. The build quality across all three products is excellent, the documentation looks comprehensive, and the ecosystem integration is seamless. Whether you're a student learning robotics, a maker working on a project, or a professional prototyping a product. This combination gives you serious capabilities in a very compact package. What would you build with this setup? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.